morning, Sterling. I hope you're having more drugs, because guess what's considerable again? It's the flashback warnings.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northern Harford County in northern Maryland until 8:30 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., thunderstorms
so
producing
close.
heavy rain across extreme northern Harford County,
Roof size
moving
large.
slowly southward.
Roof size
Up to
very
2
large.
inches of rain have already fallen north of Norrisville and Whiteford.
Roof size
Rain of 1
extremely
to
large.
3 inches is expected in the next hour.
Extremely
Flash flooding
large.
is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening
Yep,
flash
it's Sterling
flooding.
again. Fucking
Heavy
course
rain
it's
producing
considerable.
flash
Of course it's considerable. Because Sterling doesn't know those already.
Indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flooding include Jarrettsville, Pilesville, Darlington, Forest Hill, Cardiff, Chrome Hill, Norrisville, Street, Rocks, Scarborough, Whiteford. This includes flood-prone locations Walters Mill Road at 80 Road, Shawnee Drive at Walters Mill Road, Sandy Hook Road near Deer Creek, and Darlington Road at Deer Creek Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.